Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe. Power off and disconnect power sources so you avoid false readings and damage. Next, set your meter to the continuity position, often shared with diode mode. This readies the audible beep test. Plug the black probe into COM and the red probe into the V/omega socket. Once done, touch the probe tips together. You should hear a beep or see near zero resistance, confirming your meter and leads are working before you test the target component. You now perform the measurement. Make sure the test points are isolated from power and other conductive paths to avoid misleading continuity. Place one probe on each end of the trace, pad, or component lead. Steady your hands and use small probe clips if needed. If the meter beeps or shows a low resistance reading, typically under a few ohms, you have continuity. If the display shows OL or very high ohms, it indicates an open circuit. Make sure to check both ends and repeat for assurance. To finish, remove the probes, restore any disconnected wiring, and only power the device after confirming safe reassembly. If you get no beep when you expect continuity, first recheck the meter battery and probe connections. A weak battery or damaged lead often causes false opens. Next, confirm you're on the right range and that the test points are isolated. If still unresolved, desolder or remove the component and test it out of circuit to rule out parallel paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.